So welcome back friends, my name is Shubham and you're watching The Wrestling Battle. Friends, we have a big news for you, and the big news is that we might see a big match at WrestleMania 37 which is going to happen in next year 2021 friends, and this match is Rock versus Roman Reigns for the Universal Championship. Because friend, recently Roman Reigns gave an interview. In that interview, Roman Reigns said something very big which gave a clear hint that we might see a match between Roman Reigns and Rock at WrestleMania 37. So friends, in this video I'm gonna tell you about what Roman said in that interview and why I'm saying to you that we might see a match between Roman Reigns and Rock at WrestleMania 37. So friends, this is going to be very informative video for you. So friends, watch this video till the end and please subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get the notification of every video that I'm going to upload in this channel. So friends, let's start this. Friends, Roman Reigns' new bad guy persona is something that is being loved by the majority of the WWE universe. The Tribal Chief plans on wreaking a havoc on SmackDown and run through the entire roster with his advisor Paul Heyman by his side. However, ever since Roman Reigns' return, fans have been pitching dream scenario for a potential Roman Reigns versus The Rock match at next year's WrestleMania. Reigns' recent feud with his cousin Jey Uso received a lot of praise from everyone, including the Great One himself, and many are wondering if this storyline could eventually involve The Rock at some point. While appearing on Complex Load Management podcast, Reigns commented on the possibility of going up against his cousin, the Great One, at WrestleMania next year. Reigns said that he is the guy who can finally bring The Rock back into the ring. He said that he would have to become a really monumental bad guy if he were to go up against a mega star of The Rock's caliber. Listen carefully guys, what Roman Reigns said. I think I'm the guy. If there is anybody that he would feel comfortable with in the ring and have the proper build up and can raise to that occasion, there's no doubt I'm the guy. We will definitely have to crack a lot of eggs to get to that. That's just good TV going forward and building a really dominant bad guy within himself. And here comes the astronomical superstar. There has been a guy on his level. You have to build that villain to get to that point. Reigns has quite a few months on his hand to explore the dark side and become the ultimate bad guy in the WWE, a worthy threat for the Great One, The Rock. So guys, this is the news that I want to share with you. So friends, what do you think on this situation? Can we see a match between Roman Reigns and Rock at WrestleMania 37? Please let me know in the comment section guys, because I think since ever Roman Reigns returned in a heel superstar, I think we might see a possible match between Reigns and Rock. So guys, this is all about from this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you like this information, please share this information. Friends, this is all from this video. Friends, we will meet in the next video. For now friends, take care of your family, take care of yourself. Bye bye friends.